Hey my beautiful people, hope you are all doing well. I welcome you to another sari draping video, and as I always say, not just draping sari, I also believe in the right accessories that you should pair up with any sari. It not only enhances the whole look but it has a huge impact on your style statement, that how you are gonna carry your look. And as I always bring up the accessories ideas to you, which each of the buying links in the description. So if you are new to my channel, please check my previous videos, links are available beneath, and also find out the buying links if you are looking for anything to buy that I am using on today's video or any day's video. Also, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out any latest updates. Now without any further delay, let's start today's video. So today we are gonna drape a full length sari as a lehenga, and I took this floral printed organza sari for today's look. And to wear lehenga sari, first of all tuck one end of the sari in your petticoat or a flared skirt. I have started tucking it from the right front. Now just carefully take some fabric to fold to make a pleat like this way and just tuck in. And this way our first fold is ready. Now following the same, I'm gonna again fold some fabric to make pleat and tuck it in the same way. Don't make wider pleats here, but keep in mind your pleat should be visible from top to bottom. I mean not just too wide that you finish off making pleats on the midway, or not too small that even pleats are not so prominent, right? Cause when you are draping a sari as a lehenga, flare should be prominent from top to bottom. So as you all know, organza fabric is so much fluffy and slippery itself that it's not at all easy to tame the fabric. And here I am keeping 2 inches of gap between the two plates. But if you drape the organza sari in right way, it can really complement any body type, and you can use the same method of draping sari with other saris too by using the same method with any ethnic flare skirt. Cause if the bottom part of the lehenga sari spreads more, it's look more gorgeous. But as I am using an organza fabric, I use normal petticoat. Cause organza itself is fluffy, so no need to add on extra flares beneath. Also, I love organza saris, so lightweighted yet looks so gorgeous and elegant. And nowadays these saris are really trending in fashion, so you must try this look out. When you are tucking the fabric from the front, it's easy. But what to do when you need to pleat at the back? No worries. Just slide and rotate the petticoat carefully towards back and start tucking the sari again. Easy, isn't it? Keep tucking the flares all over, but now where to stop and what to use as dupatta, or if we finish off tucking the sari, it becomes a skirt, not a lehenga without a pallu. Okay, so many questions, but I am here to answer all of the questions. But first, finish making one whole round of the pleats around the waist and adjust the petticoat again to its place. So keep this much of length extra from the other end so that you can wrap it around your body as you do while making the pallu for a normal sari. But when you complete one round of making pleats across the waist, there is not much fabric left to make a whole pallu. And here is the thing you can do. Hold this corner of the pallu and start gather up the fabric in a way to make vertical pleats. As it's an fluffy organza fabric, first pin up the corner with your blouse and it will make easier to give a neat and tidy finishing. Now what's with this extra fabric? Hold on, we will manage that, but first we need to create a nice look of this pallu. Now watch it carefully. I am gathering the fabric one by one in small pleats and holding all together. And now I'm gonna secure the folds like this way so that both of the zari work borders of the pallu would be visible from the front clearly. Make sure this portion have to be nice and tidy cause this pallu is the cover for your whole sari story. Done. Next is this extra fabric. Pull it behind tightly and make a small fold for a pleat like before. And now just tuck it. And that's it. Clean, tidy and nice from all the sides. Wear a waist belt as it will enrich the look as well as it will also hide out the cringes of the safety pin on the front pallu. Now I'm gonna go and accessorize a little with some jewelries, and I have put the links in the description box below if you wanna check it. And if you have loved watching my today's video, I'm sure you are gonna love my other videos too. Go watch them too and show some love, and those links are also in the description box. You can wear this kind of outfit easily at any wedding functions, as my sari is a vibrant red one. It looks too good, and this blouse as well perfectly matched with the sari. And from the sari to jewelries and this portly bag and all are being shopped online, and everything is so premium. I really hope I had made justice to your precious time and you have loved my today's look, and if yes, please do like and subscribe and hit the bell button and share with your family and friends, and I will see you with another video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.